Imagine waking up one morning and suddenly feeling chest pain, struggling to catch your breath, or feeling dizzy. These could be warning signs of a heart attack. But here's the scary part. Many people don't even realize they have heart disease until it's too late. The biggest culprit behind most heart attacks is atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in the arteries, restricting blood flow to the heart. This process is slow and silent, often showing no symptoms until a serious problem arises. In fact, research shows that almost half of those with heart disease have no clue until they experience a major event like a heart attack. That's why prevention is key. And one of the most powerful ways to protect your heart is through the food you eat. Today, we're diving into some of the best vegetables that naturally support heart health, clear out artery-clogging plaque, and reduce the risk of heart attacks. You might already have some of these vegetables in your kitchen without realizing their incredible benefits. But what makes them so effective? We'll explore the science behind their heart-protecting compounds and how you can easily add them to your meals for maximum health benefits. Let's start with garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural remedies for heart health. For centuries, different cultures have used this simple yet incredible vegetable not just for flavor, but also for its healing properties. What makes garlic stand out when it comes to heart protection? The answer lies in a special compound called allicin. Allicin is a sulfur-based compound that forms when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Scientists have studied it extensively for its ability to lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. These benefits make garlic a natural defense against heart attacks. So, how does it work? Garlic helps relax and widen blood vessels, which improves circulation and lowers blood pressure, two major factors in reducing the risk of heart disease. High blood pressure, often referred to as the silent killer, can slowly damage the arteries, making them more prone to plaque formation and blockages. By lowering blood pressure naturally, garlic helps keep arteries clear and flexible. Another major benefit is its ability to reduce LDL cholesterol, commonly known as the bad cholesterol. Excess LDL can lead to plaque deposits that clog arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By lowering LDL and boosting blood circulation, garlic plays a crucial role in keeping your heart strong and healthy. Beyond its impact on blood pressure and cholesterol, allicin is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis, the hardening and narrowing of arteries. Even if your cholesterol levels are within a normal range, unchecked inflammation can still trigger heart problems. Research has shown that garlic helps lower inflammation markers in the body, offering additional protection for the cardiovascular system. Speaking of research, several studies highlight garlic's heart-friendly effects. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that garlic supplementation significantly lowered total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol in participants. Another study by the National Institutes of Health discovered that garlic helped reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension, sometimes performing as well as prescription medications. In fact, those who ate garlic daily for 12 weeks saw noticeable drops in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Now, you might be wondering, how much garlic should you eat to enjoy these benefits? Experts suggest 1 to 2 cloves per day for the best results. Eating it raw or lightly cooked preserves its powerful allicin content. If using raw garlic, try chopping or crushing it and letting it sit for about 10 minutes before adding it to your meals. This allows the allicin to fully develop. There are plenty of easy ways to add garlic to your diet. Toss it into salads, soups, stir-fries, or even spread it on toast. Just keep in mind that cooking garlic at high temperatures for too long can reduce its allicin content. To retain its heart-boosting properties, it's best to cook it gently or add it toward the end of cooking. If eating raw garlic isn't your thing, supplements are an option too, though whole foods are always the best source of nutrients. To enhance its benefits, try pairing garlic with other heart-friendly foods. Mixing it with olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats, or adding it to a salad with spinach, which supports circulation, can create a powerful heart-protective meal. Garlic may be small, but its impact on heart health is huge. Making it a regular part of your diet can go a long way in keeping your arteries clear and your heart strong. Now let's talk about spinach, often praised for its iron content, but did you know it's also a powerhouse for heart health? This leafy green does much more than just keep your energy levels up. It's packed with nutrients that support your heart, help keep your arteries clear, and promote healthy circulation. One of spinach's biggest advantages is its high nitrate content. Nitrates are naturally found in many leafy greens, and when we eat them, our body converts them into nitric oxide. This molecule helps relax and expand blood vessels, a process called vasodilation. Why is this important? Because when blood vessels are more open, blood flows more easily and blood pressure goes down. If you struggle with high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease, eating spinach regularly could be a game changer. Better circulation means the heart doesn't have to work as hard, reducing strain on the entire cardiovascular system. Spinach is also packed with powerful antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. These compounds protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress, a condition where harmful free radicals damage artery walls. Over time, this kind of damage can lead to plaque buildup, increasing the risk of blockages and heart attacks. But spinach's antioxidants help fight off free radicals, keeping your arteries clean, strong, and flexible. Another key nutrient found in spinach is magnesium, which plays a crucial role in heart health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, supports proper heart function, and even keeps your heart beating in a steady rhythm. Research has shown that people who get enough magnesium are less likely to suffer from high blood pressure or heart disease. Plus, magnesium helps blood vessels function properly, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach all parts of your body efficiently. So, how can you get the most out of spinach for your heart? The key is regular consumption. About 1 cup of fresh spinach per day can provide a significant boost to your cardiovascular system. The great thing about spinach is that it's incredibly versatile. You can toss it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or lightly sauté it for a quick and easy side dish. When cooking spinach, use gentle heat since high temperatures can break down some of its nutrients. If you want to supercharge spinach's heart benefits, try pairing it with other nutrient-rich foods. For example, adding spinach to a tomato-based salad boosts its heart protective effects since tomatoes contain lycopene, another compound known to lower blood pressure. You can also blend spinach into a meal with lean proteins like fish or chicken to create a heart-healthy powerhouse of a dish. By making spinach a regular part of your meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy for years to come. Let's shift our focus to broccoli, one of the most widely recognized and versatile cruciferous vegetables. Not only is it loaded with essential nutrients, but it's also a powerful ally when it comes to keeping your heart in top shape. If you're serious about protecting your arteries and lowering your risk of heart disease, broccoli deserves a prime spot on your plate. One of broccoli's standout components is sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that plays a key role in shielding blood vessels from damage. But why does this matter? The answer lies in oxidative stress, a process where an excess of harmful free radicals overwhelms the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. When free radicals run rampant, they can harm blood vessel walls, trigger inflammation, and promote plaque buildup in the arteries. Over time, this increases the likelihood of heart attacks and strokes. That's where sulforaphane steps in as a powerful defender. It helps neutralize these unstable molecules, reducing oxidative damage and keeping blood vessels in better condition. But its benefits go beyond antioxidant activity. It also boasts strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque deposits accumulate inside arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing the risk of serious heart complications. By calming inflammation, sulforaphane helps maintain the flexibility of blood vessels, making it more difficult for plaque to take hold. But that's not all. Research has found that sulforaphane can enhance endothelial function, which refers to the health of the cells that line the blood vessels. These cells are crucial for keeping arteries smooth and open, preventing damage that can lead to dangerous blockages. So how does this translate into real-world heart benefits? Studies suggest that regularly consuming broccoli can lower cholesterol, improve circulation, and help regulate blood pressure, all vital factors in maintaining a strong cardiovascular system. In fact, research has shown that people who eat broccoli frequently experience lower levels of oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to healthier arteries and a reduced risk of heart disease. Now, to get the most heart-boosting benefits from broccoli, how you prepare it matters. Steaming it lightly or eating it raw helps retain its sulforaphane content, making it easier for your body to absorb. Overcooking broccoli, on the other hand, can significantly diminish the availability of this powerful compound. If raw broccoli isn't your thing, try adding it to salads, soups, or stir-fries. Just keep cooking times short to preserve its nutrients. Incorporating broccoli into your daily meals is simple, and the rewards for your heart are immense. Whether you enjoy it as a side dish, toss it into a smoothie, or pair it with other heart-friendly foods like garlic, spinach, or tomatoes, you're giving your body an incredible dose of protective compounds. It's a small dietary change with big cardiovascular benefits, one that can help keep your heart healthier for years to come. Let's talk about beets, a brilliantly colored root vegetable that has been making waves for its natural ability to support heart health and lower blood pressure. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which, once inside the body, get converted into nitric oxide. This powerful molecule helps relax and expand blood vessels, leading to improved circulation and a drop in blood pressure levels. For those dealing with hypertension, beets can make a real difference in reducing strain on the heart and lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. So, how does this process work? When you consume beets, the nitrates within them go through a transformation, eventually becoming nitric oxide. This compound allows blood vessels to widen and function more efficiently, easing the pressure within arteries. Since high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular complications, incorporating beets into your diet can be a natural way to keep your numbers in check and protect your heart over time. Scientific research backs this up. Multiple studies have found that beetroot juice has a noticeable impact on reducing blood pressure. In fact, one study revealed that individuals who drank beet juice daily saw a significant drop in both their systolic and diastolic blood pressure, similar to the effects of certain hypertension medications. Given that high blood pressure affects nearly 1/3 of adults globally, beets offer a simple yet effective way to manage this growing health concern. But the benefits of beets don't stop at blood pressure control. They're also packed with fiber, which plays an essential role in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. This, along with their abundance of antioxidants, helps combat inflammation and protect blood vessels from damage. Antioxidants in beets fight off oxidative stress, a major contributor to plaque buildup in the arteries. By reducing this risk, beets help prevent the development of atherosclerosis, a condition that leads to narrowed and hardened arteries. So, what's the best way to enjoy beets and reap their heart-healthy rewards? One of the most effective methods is drinking fresh beet juice. A small glass each day can enhance blood flow and keep blood pressure in check. But if juice isn't your thing, don't worry. There are plenty of other ways to incorporate beets into your diet. You can roast them for a salad, blend them into smoothies, or even slice and bake them into crispy chips for a delicious snack. Their natural sweetness and earthy taste make them a versatile ingredient in countless dishes. For maximum cardiovascular benefits, regular consumption is key. If you're adding beets to your meals or juices, aim to eat at least half to a full beetroot daily. And to get the most potent effects, fresh is best. Opt for raw beets, homemade juice, or high-quality store-bought beet juice that's free of added sugars and preservatives. With just a little effort, you can make beets a regular part of your diet and take a big step toward better heart health. Another vegetable that's incredibly important for heart health is carrots. Carrots are often seen as just a crunchy snack or a simple salad ingredient, but don't let their humble reputation fool you. They are packed with nutrients that deeply support heart health. These bright orange vegetables are loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in reducing inflammation and shielding arteries from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when harmful free radicals damage cells, and over time, this damage can contribute to plaque buildup inside arteries, a condition called atherosclerosis. When arteries become stiff and narrow, blood flow is restricted, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. This is where beta-carotene shines. It acts as a natural defender for your blood vessels, protecting the delicate endothelial cells that line your arteries. These cells are essential for keeping blood vessels flexible and functioning properly, ensuring smooth circulation and reducing the risk of plaque accumulation. In addition to beta-carotene, carrots contain plenty of fiber, another crucial component for heart health. Fiber helps to lower LDL cholesterol, often called the bad cholesterol, by binding to it and preventing absorption into the bloodstream. Since high LDL levels are linked to arterial plaque, Eating fiber-rich foods like carrots can keep your arteries clear and promote better circulation. So how exactly does beta-carotene work? As an antioxidant, it neutralizes free radicals before they can harm your blood vessels. By preventing oxidative stress and inflammation, carrots help stop arteries from becoming stiff or clogged. Research suggests that diets rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene contribute to better cardiovascular function and a lower risk of heart disease. Adding carrots to your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them raw for a crisp snack, steam them for a tender side dish, roast them to enhance their natural sweetness, or blend them into a smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious boost. Tossing carrots into soups, stir-fries, or salads is another great way to incorporate their heart-protecting benefits into your meals. While cooking can slightly reduce the beta-carotene content, the good news is that pairing carrots with a healthy fat like olive oil improves absorption, allowing your body to make the most of this antioxidant. If you're wondering how much you need to eat, aim for at least one medium-sized carrot per day to start reaping its heart-friendly rewards. It's a simple habit that can have a lasting impact on your cardiovascular health. Incorporating a variety of heart-healthy vegetables into your meals isn't just about taste. It's a powerful strategy to protect your heart and prevent disease. Whether it's a spinach and tomato salad, a broccoli stir-fry, or roasted garlic with beets, being consistent with your veggie intake can improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and help fight off arterial plaque. These vegetables aren't just food. They are your natural allies in heart health, so why wait? Start today and take a simple, meaningful step toward a stronger, healthier heart. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting tips. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next